Okay, anyone having trouble threading their needle? Sometimes it's just so small. So these little things are kind of handy. Sometimes I have better luck getting this metal thing inside my needle where my thread is like kind of wiggly and wobbly. But sometimes it's hard threading these things too, the metal through the hole. But anyways, if you're really struggling threading your needle, I recommend getting one of these little threaders, and then makes the hole pretty big so that I can stick my thread through this metal hole. And then I'm supposed to be able to pull now the metal through the little hole. And sometimes these little things break if your thread is just too thick. Okay, mine worked this time. There we go. And now I can pull my thread. I know I'm on a black background, but now my thread is threaded. So that time that little threader did help me quite a bit.